Straight back feeding cornrows, quick feeding braids on short for C hair. How to do feeding braid on natural hair. Hello, it's your girl Finehair. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do feeding braid all back. So this is going to be one layer braid and it's going to be feeding, and the length is going to be above the nail length. So without me taking much of your time, we are going to need expression hair, and this expression comes in a set. One pack has 3 in it, and you can see what we are using is 90 inches, and when you fold it together it comes to be 45 inches. I just wanted to explain that. So we are going to start by parting the hair all the way back, and we start with our natural hair first, then we start feeding braid, which means we are going to be feeding, which means we are going to be adding little hair as we go. And this method can also be seen as a knotless braid, but it's a knotless cornrow. So yeah, hello, welcome. If it's your first time here, it's your girl Finehair, and welcome to our channel. So yes, I'm going to be showing you the next is I put it on my fingers and bring it back to my finger again, and I continue braiding the hair. I use my tail comb to section it. Again, if you want it to be a stitch braid, you want to use, and your nail is not long, it's easier to use your comb to do it. Again, I want to show you that. Again, you use your comb and you go straight, you hold the braid, the natural 4C hair, then you cornrow the braid. Again, I do have a video where I show you step by step how to do cornrow. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to go watch that video. It will explain it much more better for you to understand. Okay, so this is all back, which means it's going to be all the way back. We are not leaving any hair out. It's not going to be halfway or down. It's going to be all the way back to her hair. So let me allow you to see all the step what I'm doing, and make sure you do not skip, because if you skip you are not going to see all the details on how to do all back feeding braids. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Let me know, is there any other hair video that you would like me to do? Comment in the comment section below, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you all, family. Okay, so the reason why when I braid it, I don't just continue braiding it. If you notice, I left the hair is because it's feeding. I do not want the line of where I added the braid to show on top of the hair. That is why it's called feeding braid. I'm feeding the braid, which means I'm adding little braid at a time, little braid at a time, and that makes the hair to be all nice and neat and more like a natural. So yes, we can call this a knotless cornrow, knotless braid, but it's really feeding braid, buzz braid, feeding cornrow braid. Okay, family, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yes, that is all back. It's all back cornrow, all back feeding braid. And click the next video if you want to know more how to do your braid, how to braid hair. And it's your girl Finehair. I will see you in my next video.